In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail message blocked. If you've ever hit send and immediately received a message blocked notice, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you understand what went wrong and how to get your email delivered. First, open the email that failed. In Gmail, you'll usually see a bounce back message or a notification banner that says the message couldn't be delivered. Open that notice and read it carefully. Gmail typically includes a brief reason for the block, and that context is your roadmap to a fix. Now, look for the specific reason. It might mention an attachment issue, suspected spam, message size, or a policy restriction on the recipient's side. If it points to an attachment, think about what you included. Certain file types are blocked, and large files can push you over size limits. When you resend, remove any risky file types, compress larger files, or share them through a cloud link instead of attaching them. If the reason hints at spam, simplify your message before trying again. Remove excessive links, avoid overly promotional phrasing, and keep formatting clean. For size problems, trim long threads, remove inline images or large signatures, and keep the email lean. If it references a recipient policy, that usually means their mail server is filtering strictly. In that case, resending a shorter, plain text version with no attachments is a good test. Next, verify the recipient address. This is a common culprit and easy to miss. Make sure the email is spelled correctly, with the right domain and no accidental characters. Watch out for extra spaces before or after the address, hidden line breaks from copy and paste, or stray punctuation like a trailing period. If you're using autocomplete, confirm it selected the current, correct contact. Even a single misplaced letter can cause an immediate block or bounce. After you've checked the reason and the address, try sending the message to another email. A simple, plain text test without attachments is best. Send it to an alternate address you control or to a different trusted contact. If that message goes through, your account and content are likely fine, and the original block is probably related to the recipient's server or their policies. If the test fails too, revisit the earlier reason in the bounce message and refine your content or attachments accordingly. By carefully opening the failed email, reading the reason, confirming the recipient address, and testing with another email, you'll pinpoint the issue and get your message moving again. Thanks for watching and good luck getting that email delivered.